Welcome to our educational channel. So in this video, class 10th CBSE science study material I'll show here. So CBSE science is we have physics, chemistry, bio, all the chapters is all together here. So is the total we have 17 chapters. So these 17 chapters we have question bank and assignments. So the links you can see in description below. So if you require to want to study these material, you can just go through the links. So some sample one chapter I'll show here. Let's take acid base and salts. Question bank and test I'll show. Okay, this chapter. If you see this acid base and salts, so textbook questions and their answers, everything is available with a clear explanation. Okay, and page wise also according to the page number. So the textbook questions and their answers. So entire the textbook information. If you want to study the question wise, so question to question, if you want to prepare, now this material is helpful for you. So not only this, and after preparing from textbook and this question bank, you can conduct the test using this assignments also. So assignments also will provide. So along with this, so if you see the assignments, now this everything is in a form of PDF. So you can take the printout easily. So acid base and salts, this section A, objective type, and section B. So like that, question wise means entire the syllabus in that chapter will cover in these assignments. So you can conduct the test also using these assignment copies. So according to the chapter number of pages, it's only 3 pages. For example, if you see this one more carbon and compounds. So let me show these assignments. Carbon and compounds assignment is a 13 pages because it's the big chapter, right? Now information previous chapter, all the important points, again the questions will start. So like this the information is available. So not only entire information, so chapter wise you can conduct the test also. Okay, and except this, so along with this other class information also is available. So along with this, if other class information if you want, you can go to this website, link is provided in the description below. So you just go through it.